Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Money. Today we will discuss an important aspect of trading, which are trend lines. We are going to discuss that what are trend lines and how to draw trend lines. So, what are trend lines? Trend lines are the lines that show where the prices are going on a chart. They are really important for Forex traders because they help us to see if prices are going up, down or staying the same. Trend lines can be uptrend lines or downtrend lines depending on where the market prices are going. So what are uptrend lines? An uptrend is characterized by a series of higher highs and higher lows. To draw an uptrend line, simply connect the successive low points on your chart using a straight line. This line acts as a support, showing you where prices are likely to bounce off during upward movements. Now, what are downtrend lines? A downtrend is the opposite of an uptrend, marked by lower lows and lower highs. Drawing a downtrend line involves connecting the consecutive high points on your chart. This line serves as a resistance, indicating potential selling zones when prices approach it. You have to look for at least 2 points to draw a trend line, but more the point touches, the stronger will be the trend line. You can draw a trend line from body to body or wick to wick of a candle. Now, we will look at a real Forex chart and we will do it together. We will find uptrends and downtrends and draw lines step by step. This trend line which we have identified is uptrend line, which is a series of higher highs and higher lows, and this trend line acting as support, which means that when the market in uptrend retraces back to this trend line, then we can enter into a long trade after identifying strong indication by bullish candlestick patterns, which we have already discussed in our previous video. Now, this trend line which we have identified is downtrend line, which is a series of lower lows and lower highs, and this trend line is acting as resistance, which means that when the market in downtrend retraces back to this trend line, then we can enter into a short trade after identifying strong indication by bearish candlestick patterns. This was the easiest way to identify and draw a trend line. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.